Right then, let's have a little chat about salad dressing. It's a funny old thing, isn't it? We often overlook it, seeing it as just an afterthought, a mere condiment. But I'm here to tell you that salad dressing is so much more than that. It's the unsung hero of the salad world, the key to unlocking a symphony of flavors. It can elevate a simple bowl of greens into a culinary masterpiece. We spend all this time getting beautiful, fresh, crunchy lettuces, carefully selecting the perfect mix of textures and flavors. We go to farmers markets, searching for the most vibrant greens, the ones that practically sing with freshness. Lovely ripe tomatoes, bursting with sweetness and sunshine. We seek out the juiciest, reddest tomatoes, the ones that pop in your mouth with every bite, and all sorts of gorgeous veg. We build this amazing salad, a proper plate of goodness, a vibrant tapestry of colors and textures. We meticulously chop, slice, and dice, arranging each ingredient with care and precision. Then what do? After all that effort, after sourcing the best ingredients and carefully crafting our salad, what's our next move? We often just grab a bottle off the shelf and slosh it all over without a second thought. We reach for the familiar, the convenient, the brightly colored bottle promising instant flavor. But are we really doing our salad justice? But that dressing, my friends, is the soul of the salad. It's what brings all those lovely individual flavors together and makes them sing in harmony. It's the conductor of the orchestra, the glue that binds everything together. It's the difference between a boring bowl of leaves and a dish that makes you feel brilliant, alive, and utterly satisfied. It's the magic touch that transforms the ordinary into the extraordinary. Think of it like this. Your salad is the band, a collection of talented individuals, each with their own unique instrument and sound. And the dressing is the lead singer, the charismatic front person who captivates the audience and brings the whole performance to life. It sets the tone, it carries the tune, and it makes everything else on the stage shine a bit brighter. It's the voice that resonates, the melody that lingers, the element that elevates the entire experience. A good dressing can take humble ingredients and make them taste absolutely sublime. It can add tang, a bit of creaminess, a punch of flavor, or a gentle sweetness, creating a symphony of sensations on your palate. It's about balance, harmony, and the art of bringing out the best in every ingredient. Those bottled dressings can be a bit naughty, you know. They're often packed with sugar, lurking beneath the surface, adding unnecessary calories and masking the natural flavors of your salad. Strange preservatives you can't pronounce, and not so great fats that can weigh you down and detract from the health benefits of your salad. You think you're having a super healthy meal, carefully selecting your greens and vegetables, but the dressing is letting the side down, sabotaging your efforts with its hidden nasties. When you make your own, you are the boss. You're in complete control of what goes into your body. You choose the quality of the oil, opting for extra virgin olive oil packed with antioxidants and healthy fats. You decide how much, if any, sweetener to add, perhaps a touch of honey or maple syrup for a natural sweetness, and you pack it full of fresh, vibrant ingredients, herbs, spices, and citrus zest, creating a flavor explosion that will tantalize your taste buds. It's a game changer, honestly. It turns your healthy salad into a truly powerhouse meal that nourishes you from the inside out, providing you with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It's an act of self-care, a way to show your body some love and appreciation. So ditch the bottled stuff and embrace the joy of homemade dressing. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Okay, here it is, my desert island dressing. If I could only have one dressing for the rest of my life, this would be it. This is the one I make most often, the one I reach for without even thinking. It's simple, it's versatile, and it always delivers. The beauty of this vinaigrette is that it works on pretty much any salad you can think of. From a simple green salad to a hearty grain bowl or even drizzled over roasted vegetables, it elevates everything. It's a classic vinaigrette, a timeless recipe that's been around for ages. But it's all about the quality of the ingredients you choose and getting the balance of flavors just right. That's the key to making it truly special. Let's get all our lovely bits and bobs together before we start the magic. Having everything prepped and ready to go makes the process so much smoother and more enjoyable. Here's what you'll need. For the ingredients, get yourself 6 tablespoons of a brilliant extra virgin olive oil. And when I say brilliant, I mean it. Don't skimp on the quality here. A good olive oil is the foundation of a great vinaigrette, so choose one that you love the taste of. Look for something fruity and flavorful. 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. The acidity of the vinegar is what gives the vinaigrette its tang and cuts through the richness of the oil. Red wine vinegar is my go-to, but you could also experiment with other vinegars like white wine vinegar or balsamic, depending on your preference. 1 teaspoon of proper Dijon mustard. Again, quality matters. Dijon mustard adds a lovely depth of flavor and also acts as an emulsifier, helping the oil and vinegar to combine. 1 small clove of garlic. Garlic adds a pungent kick that really wakes up the dressing, but be careful not to overdo it, as it can easily overpower the other flavors. A tiny pinch of sea salt and a good few grinds of black pepper. Freshly ground pepper is always best, as it has so much more flavor than pre-ground. And if you have it, a little squeeze of honey or maple syrup is a lovely touch. Just a hint of sweetness to balance the acidity, but it's not essential. Now for the method, and it couldn't be easier. Seriously, this is so simple, anyone can do it. I love using a clean jam jar for this. It's the perfect size, it's easy to shake, and it's readily available. It's my secret weapon. Just peel the garlic clove and grate it really finely, or crush it into a paste with the back of your knife and a pinch of salt. The salt helps to break down the garlic and release its flavor. Pop the garlic into your jam jar, then add the Dijon mustard, the red wine vinegar, and your salt and pepper. Don't be afraid to experiment with the amounts to suit your own taste. Put the lid on the jar and give it a good shake to mix all those flavor-packed ingredients together. This first shake is important as it helps everything start to meld. It allows the flavors to combine and the mustard to start emulsifying the mixture. Once that's done, it's time for the oil. Pour your beautiful extra virgin olive oil into the jar. Watch as it swirls and mixes with the other ingredients, creating a golden cascade. Screw the lid on tight, really tight. We don't want any accidents. A loose lid can lead to a vinaigrette explosion, and nobody wants that. And then shake it like you mean it. Shake it with all your might. Shake it for a good 30 seconds. This is where the magic happens. You'll see the oil and vinegar, which normally separate, come together to create a lovely, thick, emulsified dressing. The shaking forces the oil to break down into tiny droplets and suspend themselves in the vinegar, creating a stable emulsion. It will look creamy and a little bit cloudy. That's what you want. That cloudiness is a sign that the vinaigrette is properly emulsified and will coat your salad beautifully. Have a little taste. This is the most important step. Does it need more salt? A bit more pepper? Maybe a touch more vinegar for extra tang? This is your moment to adjust it to your liking. Don't be afraid to experiment and make it your own. Job done. Your very own gorgeous homemade vinaigrette, ready to transform any salad into a culinary masterpiece.